Now that we've explored user and device authentication, let's take a look at some of the protocols that make authentication possible. One protocol we've already mentioned is Remote Authentication Dial-In User Services, which is abbreviated RADIUS. RADIUS is a standards-based protocol for authorizing and configuring remote users or devices to allow them access to a secure network. RADIUS consists of two components, the RADIUS client and the RADIUS server. The RADIUS server is usually installed on a computer in a secure, central location, and the RADIUS clients are installed on distributed authentication devices. RADIUS, as the name implies, was originally designed as a way to authenticate dial-in modem users. It was so effective that later it was seen as the best standards-based way to serve as a security mechanism for all network authentication. In a switched network scenario, the RADIUS client is installed on all the switches configured for authentication. These switches are also configured with the address of the RADIUS servers to use for authentication. In large or very high security networks, multiple RADIUS servers are used to authenticate different clients or to act as redundant servers in case of failure. A second standard authentication protocol is LDAP, which stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. We have discussed LDAP before, so you may remember that it provides services other than security. However, since it is a common standards-based protocol for exchanging information, it is also used to exchange information between authenticating switches and authentication databases. As for which protocol to use for authentication, either RADIUS or LDAP can effectively function as the communication protocol. In fact, in some network configurations, both are used. As I mentioned, both LDAP and RADIUS are standards-based, and standards-based protocols are usually the best choice for use in networks, as vendor proprietary protocols limit future network development.